Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Robux from TesterUp using an app phone. Let's get started. First, open the TesterUp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, you will see different tasks and offers you can complete. To get Robux, you first need to earn money on TesterUp. This usually means downloading app, signing up for a service, reaching a certain level in a game. Make sure tracking is allowed on your iPhone before starting any task or it may not count. After finishing a task, it may show as pending. This is normal. Once TesterUp approves the task, the money moves to your available balance. You must reach the minimum withdrawal amount before redeeming rewards. You can see this amount clearly inside the app. Now go to withdraw, cash out, or rewards. If Robux is available, directly select it. If not, choose a Roblox gift card instead. Roblox gift card can be redeemed for Robux inside the Roblox app. Once you receive your Roblox gift card code, open the Roblox app or website, go to redeem code, enter the code, Robux will be added to your account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.